Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I broke my cell phone. It was already shattered, and then it like completely turned off yesterday, and it won't turn back on. So I'm without a phone, and I'm on the iPad. Literally going crazy with no phone. So I use this KS Craft purse memory decks die. It's super cute, right? And this is what it looks like. I did cut it out in 110-pound cardstock first in pink, and then I did Maggie Holmes carousel paper in that, like, the swan pattern, and then I did go ahead and cut out the pocket in gold, and then the little, like, zipper part in that thick cardstock from KS Crafts store. That's like the metallic ones is what I got. And then this little bow right here I just did on the very top. It's that winged, like, angel slash butterfly, whatever winged critter. This is the die right here. It's that, like, see how it has that wing part? So I kind of just did it in white and then the pinks and the gold to, I guess, mimic a swan. And then right here on the edge, like on this little loop, I did 3 jump rings and a little charm from AliExpress, kind of just like a little dangle, almost like how those little dangles go on the edge of a zipper. Like, you could pull this around. So I thought that was a, like, cute little touch. And then I did go ahead and stitch the entire thing. And before I layered this swan piece, I just ruched some glitter tulle in the background, just so it would be sticking out in the back like that, just to add some texture and kind of almost like a shopping bag, how tissue paper pops out, except for this is a little purse. And then my information is on the inside of this little, I was going to put a little Velcro dot, but I decided not to at the very end. But this is my entry for Scrappinology here on YouTube. She is doing a little giveaway with, like, I want to say 3 different amazing prizes, and all you have to do is create a memory decks, guys. So that's why I wanted to get this video out, and I'm recording on an iPad all desperate. Okay, so I went ahead and packaged it up. I did save some packaging from my challenge entries. I know this one is from Liz Russell. It says hello, and then there's a little butterfly under here, but I reused another packaging from another entry, and I just cut this flower off of that package and put it onto this package and made it like kind of like a new package, you know. Little memory decks is in there. And then I also created this cute little mini embellishment boxes. I know that Gina loves bows, pink, and swans, so I have like little swan buttons in there, some little puffy hearts, gems from AliExpress, gems from Hobby Lobby, AliExpress. And then I used an embellishment from the challenge, and then I reused more packaging from the challenge entries. And I think that's just a cute little way to, like, put this little tiny little box inside of a little package. So yeah, that is the final product I'm submitting, even though you only need to submit a memory decks. All right, make sure you go check out her channel, and you still have time till the 15th. Bye, guys.